Hi, it's David. Welcome to the exercise of the week. I'm so excited to share this with you. Also, if you can, like, subscribe, and maybe share with a friend. Try the exercise and let me know in the comments how you did. This exercise is the arm side raise. You're going to have your weights, arms down comfortably at your side, neck and shoulders down and relaxed, slightly pinched back because I want your shoulder to be in a proper position when you're lifting. Proper posture and proper breathing are really important. So the proper posture, you have your towel roll between your knees, and it could either go horizontally or vertically, whichever is most comfortable for you. And then the proper breathing is to always blow and lift. So you're going to take a breath in, hold it, having the shoulders slightly pinched back throughout the entire exercise, and then blow and lift. Holding 1, 2, 3. Now here's the challenging part. Fight gravity. Your weights want to drop. The arms want to drop. These are heavy, I know. But fight it. Control it coming down. That's where you're going to get so much benefit and so much strength. Shoulders pinched back. Blow and lift. Holding for 3. And then down slowly, nice and easy. And try to do anywhere from 6 to 12 of these. And once you get to a point where you're able to do 12 comfortably and easily, then either increase the sets or increase the weight. But either one of those will definitely help you. This exercise is the arm side raises. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it. Also, check out these videos over here.